Hello ladies and gentlemen, World 82 here. We're continuing our tour on the Medley lead. So right now I am facing northwestward, and here you can see all the pollution on the train tracks. As far as everything from plates to, look at that, witchcraft, Santeria, voodoo, all that good stuff. That belonged to an animal. Look at that. That's crazy. Wow. I mean, it doesn't bother me because to me it's just mumbo jumbo, but so you guys have a feel for what it is, and you can just see how extensive it is. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean, let's say near 20 voodoo rituals over here. Yeah, so that's very abundant in the Afro Cuban culture of Santeria, which is saint worshiping. Each saint has its own particular task. Like, for example, Saint Jude is a patron saint of impossible things. So if you have some sort of wish for something impossible, you would pay a voodoo doctor to summon Saint Jude, and he would sacrifice whatever animal or whatever ritual appeals to St. Jude, and that's why you have that. So each saint has their own particular offering or sacrifice. And here you have a Lincoln Industries signal base, W.C. Hayes gate mechanism, and modern industries lights all the way around. W.C. Hayes mechanical bell. There you got the 72nd Avenue crossing. I'll get to that one in a minute. This is east. That's Northwest 72nd Avenue. And here you have Lincoln Industries signal base, as well as the same setup. You got your nice little pine tree here. WC Hayes gate mechanism and modern industries lights all the way around. Except for that one, that's WC Hayes. Alright guys, we head over to the 72nd. You guys are gonna get a 2 for here, a 2 for 1.